Hi, I'm Christina with Nationwide Medical, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your oxygen to your CPAP machine. In order to do this, you're going to need an oxygen adapter. It's going to plug into your long tubing like this. Your mask will plug into the other end of the adapter here. There is an L-shaped port that swivels where you will bleed your oxygen in line with your CPAP tubing. Plug your oxygen tubing securely into the L-shaped port. The other end of this tubing will go to your concentrator. Make sure your concentrator is turned on. Turn your CPAP unit on, put your mask on, and enjoy a good night of sleep. This method is the same whether you're using the AirSense 10 or the DreamStation. Hope this helps. Thank you.